It's better. It's better. No, it's all, if with LLMs, it's all rebound. No, because the utility now became better, especially if you do this, which is now what every organization is trying to do. So when you have agentic abilities, you can, I will first say it in technical terms, you can do knowledge grounding, and then you have shared memory. What this means is you take every document that your ministries have or your agency has, you put it into what's called a vector database or a RAG, so retrieval augmented generation system, which basically means you're taking all your documents, you're making another vocabulary. Yeah, think of it like this: another brain, and this is callable because the model now has tool calling. It can call this knowledge base, and that knowledge base represents everything, all the vocabulary of your organization. That's step one. And the second step is what I told you before. That doesn't give you good answers because the model doesn't have taste. The model can't decide what is good or bad. So now you need, again, people slapping the model into place. And the best way to do that is have shared memory, meaning you upload a document, it gives you a summary, and you say like that summary is wrong. And you want the model to remember that. That's what's called shared memory. It's literally a text file where it remembers line by line all the mistakes that were made. And with these two things together, this thing becomes very, very useful. Because now it's grounded in the knowledge of your organization, and it can be course corrected, and it remembers that it was corrected before. And that will make the usage go through the roof. That's why you see a lot of organizations in the US that are a bit more advanced in applying it, that they're letting go a lot of people. Because when you combine it like this, it is useful, especially for removing middle management, which is what they're doing. There was a question? No. Okay. So far, so clear still? You can say no. I can explain things even simpler with jokes and child comparison.